What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Getting Saucy. So today we're going to do the famous keto egg loaf. I'm going to put a little saucy spin on it, and I'm going to make you a maple walnut version of egg loaf. It's kind of like French toast, and it's great for brunch. So let's get started. So I have in front of me 6 large eggs. I'm just going to add that right into my blender. I have 6 ounces of softened cream cheese that I'm also going to add into my blender. Make sure that doesn't splash up on me. And the next ingredient I am going to add is 3 tablespoons of melted butter. We're going to add just a half a teaspoon of baking powder. 2 teaspoons of maple extract. This smells amazing, you guys. It smells like fudge right off the boardwalk. If you're from the East Coast like me and you know the Jersey Shore, I am getting Douglas fudge vibes from that maple, and I'm loving it. So what I have next is 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. So I'm gonna add that straight to my blender. I'm gonna whiz this up in 2 seconds, and we're gonna have our batter. It's just as simple as that. Okay guys, so our batter is all prepared for our egg loaf. I'm standing in front of our GE Modern Glass oven, and I've got it at preheat. It preheats so quick. It was like 5 minutes, which is great because I don't want to stand here sweating while I'm trying to film for you guys. So we're getting ready to pop right into our oven. I have a 9x13 pan. I have lined it with parchment paper. You're going to want to do that too so that your egg loaf does not stick. And I'm going to simply pour our batter slowly into our pan. Now, it is very liquidy, and that is totally fine. I promise you it will become a solid by the time that it's done baking. So all I'm going to do is top it with a little bit of ground cinnamon to give it a little bit of a pretty French toast kind of look. So you're just going to gently shake on some of your cinnamon. If you'd like to put it in your hand and you feel like you have more control that way, please feel free to do that as well. Okay, all set. So our oven's at 350. We're gonna pop this guy right in, and we're gonna pull out some gorgeous French toast. I'll see you then. So while we wait for our beautiful little egg loaf to get done cooking, I'm gonna show you guys our maple walnut topping that I love. Okay, so we're just going to start with some crushed or chopped walnuts. Throw those in. We're gonna dust them with a little bit of our ground cinnamon. Just a little bit. And then this I have in front of me is magic. This is Walden Farms pancake syrup. So Walden Farms makes a 0 carb and sugar-free pancake syrup that I adore. So we're gonna pour some of that into our bowl, and we're gonna get that all mixed up so we have a yummy and spiced topping to pour over our French toast when it comes out of the oven. Now you guys, I am here at Gerhardt's Appliances in Glenside, PA. That's in the Philadelphia area. So if you are interested in learning more keto recipes directly from me, I would love to see you. I'm here every Saturday cooking for our guests, and this weekend I'm doing a demo on this oven in this exact store. So if you want to come down and try my delicious keto treats, please feel free to come and see me. I will be here between 11:30 a.m. and 1 p.m. So I hope to see your smiling face when you get here. So let's check on our egg loaf, see if it's ready, and then we'll get this gorgeous topping on it. I'm so excited, it's ready. All right, so our egg loaf has cooled about 10 minutes. So what I'm gonna do is slice it down into our bread shapes. Now at this point, you can take a tablespoon of butter, heat it up in your skillet, and give each of your slices a quick fry, just like you would French toast if you want a little bit of crispy outside. I like my egg loaf just like this, so I'm gonna show you how I cut it. So I'm just going to go ahead and create pieces of bread. So I am going to simply cut straight down the center, and then I am going to cut straight across like this. So I have large slices, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just give it a cut at an angle. So I am creating like a piece of sliced French toast. So I'm gonna do it again, and I'll do it again on this side, and then we have our beautiful little egg loaf all ready. So I'm gonna show you guys how I like to eat it. So we're gonna put a few slices, we'll just pile them straight up on our board. Let's move this guy down a little bit. And we will put a second slice on top, just like that. You can put a third, you can put a fourth, you can do whatever you want. I'm not judging you. It is your food, the way you eat. So I'm gonna move this guy out of the way, and then we're gonna put on our beautiful little topping. So with our egg loaf French toast, we made our maple walnut dressing. I'm just gonna pour some of that guy straight over the top. Oh yeah. I like a little bit of extra sauce. So I'm gonna drizzle a little more sauce like this. And then I am going to fill up my side with a little bit of whipped cream so I can enjoy my French toast. I hope you guys absolutely love this maple walnut French toast as much as I do. And again, please come down and see me at any time at Gerhardt's. Let's talk keto, let's talk egg fast, let's talk whatever you're interested in while we're in this gorgeous live showroom, and I can actually show you a few tips and tricks. So until I see you guys the next time, I hope everything goes great on your keto diet, and I hope that you guys stay saucy. And until then, bye.